also so thankful and aware of the sacrifice that God made for us. And this holiday season, we're about to celebrate the birth of Christ. And what a special time that was, especially for us. I mean, what an unselfish thing he did by sending his son to be born so that we might have eternal life. So we're going to sing a couple songs together that talk about the assurance that God gives us and just talk about how much he loves us. It's as simple as that. So we're going to teach you a new song today that we haven't done here before. It's called Open Our Eyes. And I think that's something that could resonate with all of us. We always want to have our eyes open to what's coming up, what's in front of us. So this can be a prayer for each one of you. God, open our eyes and show us what you have for us. I'm going to sing it through, and then I'm going to ask you to stand with me and sing along, all right?
Greater is the one who's in us. Greater is the one who calls our name. He will never fail. No, you will never fail. And stronger is the one within us. Stronger is the one who fights for us, 'cause he will never fail. No, he will never fail. For your love endures forever. For your love endures forever. Lord, open up our eyes, surround us with your light. Your love endures forever.
All right, would you stand with me? We're going to sing that together. Mighty is the one.
Almighty is the one who's in us. Mighty is the one who is strong to save. Yes, he will make a way. Yes, you will make a way. 'Cause for your love, it endures forever. For your love endures forever. Lord, open up our eyes, surround us with your light. Your love endures forever. 'Cause our God is fighting for us always. Our God is fighting for us all. Our God is fighting for us always. We are not alone. No, we are not alone. Sing that again. 'Cause our God is fighting for us always. Our God is fighting for us all. Our God is fighting for us always. We are not alone. We are not alone. Our God is fighting. For your love endures forever. For your love endures forever. Lord, open up our eyes, surround us with your light. Our love, it endures